how to rearrange the clips on the timeline of Vegas Pro version 16. Let's say I have this yellow car and that blue car, and I want to change the position of the two clips to have the blue car in front and the yellow car after. Okay, to do that we have this tool which is called normal edit tool. If you click on that down pointing arrow, select the second tool, shuffle tool. Okay, so shuffle tool is doing the trick, so simply drag the desired clip and drop it over the next one. So move that blue car onto the yellow car, and the two cars were changed. The position was changed. Okay, and that's it. And if you want to move the clip further away, let's say I want to drag this yellow car's wheel onto that blue car's wheel, then if I drag it to the right, from that point to the right, then it will always drop it onto the right side of that clip. So yellow car onto blue car, and the yellow one is on the right side. Okay, if I move it there, if I drag this one onto that one, so I'm dragging it to the left, then it will be on the left side of that clip onto which I dragged it. So drag and drop there, and the yellow one is on the left side because I dragged it to the left side.